safe. If someone sees it, they won't want to steal a dictionary. They don't know it's a safe, so they leave it alone.
The New English Dictionary. Just make it an actual book that way.
Because I have to pay some money for the car, so I have to count it.
I know what
Make it look
like it is.
Make it
I
look
saw-
like.
Okay, you guys put all the same colors together. Go. Don't rip stuff. This is money.
It's Canadian. And also,
I'm
last night, how do you rip a Canadian dollar?
It was an accident. It was
Bill.
already like that.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of
Yesterday,
money.
Yeah, because I have to go
I'll
pay
be-
for car.
I'll be taking
Yesterday,
it
Josh showed me.
So put the blues. Finish the blues.
$10.
Yeah,
Yesterday, Josh showed me a ripped $20 bill.
Start. Get all the purples.
Wait, I'm going like
10 buckaroos.
Put them together. Nice. Here.
yeah. I'm nice.
Nice.
I'll be taking the $100 though.
Love that.
Just kidding. I have a present for you.
Okay, stop. Hold on. I gotta count.
And we have to count. $100 is easy.
Five.
I'm giving you the money.
So I have to go get more money.
Would that be enough for it or never?
You gotta put them together nice. That's a mess. Try again.
No.
So take this and go put it upstairs on the dining room table.
I'll be taking this dictionary, okay?